Hey everybody, this is Dean and welcome to Dino's Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to disable Amazon Sidewalk using your Alexa app. Amazon Sidewalk became active on June 8th, 2021, and it uses certain products like Ring Floodlight Cam, Ring Spotlight Cam, Echo Dot 3rd generation, Echo Plus, all generations, Echo Show, all models, an Echo Spot, and a few other products that Amazon makes. And what it does is when you have these products and they're installed, by default, Amazon Sidewalk is activated and it actually uses your device as part of a mesh network so that it can connect with other Amazon products and other third-party products. For example, things like Tile, which is a device that helps you track your car keys, and it will send data around using this mesh network. But it also will send data over your own internet. Since your Echo devices are connected to the internet, it can use up to 500 megabytes of data a month. That's what they have it set to, so that it will go up to there. If it goes up to that, it won't go over that. But it's still using your internet connection for free. There are a lot of pros and cons to Amazon Sidewalk. I'll go into that in another video, but this video is just to show you how to turn it off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Alexa app, and down in the corner here you see there's a thing that says more, so you're going to click on that. That will take you to a screen and you're going to find settings on that screen. And then once you click on that, you'll come to another screen, and there's a thing that says account settings. You're going to want to click on that next. And after that, finally you'll get down to something that says Amazon Sidewalk, and then you're going to click on to that. Now you need to scroll down a little bit because it gives you a little bit of a description of what Amazon Sidewalk does right here. And then there's a thing down here. It says enabled, and it will be enabled by default. So you want to click this off so that it's disabled like this. And so that's what you want to do. You want to get to the Amazon Sidewalk function and disable it using your Alexa app. This has been Dino's Tech World, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.